Ito ang latest chika mga mosang. Nako, sino kaya ang aktor na ito na binabanggit sa blind item ng Lady Radar? Sabi niya sa headline, matinee idol in a love team is courting a model type star. Si Donnie Pangilinan kaya ito? Basahin natin ang nakalagay na chismis ni Lady Radar. Eto nga, fans of this emerging love team might want to sit down for this one. Behind the kilig, since in carefully curated sweet moment lies a plot twist that could shatter fantasy into reality. Itong promising matinee idol na ito, the well-bred, squeaky clean young man package as every mother's dream son, while critics say his biggest flaw is his less than stellar acting chops. His charm keeps him afloat, but lately his heart may be drifting off script. Eto pa nga. Source revealed that promising matinee idol is quietly smitten with the model star, a fashionable, slender young actress and reality show alumna who just so happens to be paired with another leading man. Insiders say the promising matinee idol boldly slid into the model star DMs, inviting her to watch a live show where he was performing. And yes, she showed up, reportedly with a male friend in tow, perhaps as a buffer against intrigue, screenshots, and inevitable fan backlash. But here's where it gets juicier. At ito pa nga ang chismis na galing sa isang chismosa. Isang reliable source claimed that even before itong si model actress entered the picture, itong promising matinee idol naman had already expressed discomfort over the extra attention allegedly being showered on him by his on-screen partner. He reportedly requested that their interaction be kept strictly professional, subtly drawing boundaries that raise a few perfectly groomed eyebrows on set. And now that model star is hovering in the background, onlookers are wondering, is this the start of brand new real tandem? Or will a budding romance be kept under wraps to preserve the money-making illusion of a love team? And showbiz scripts can be rewritten overnight. The only question is, who gets top billing when the truth finally rolls? At ay naman sa isang reliable source, hindi ang Donnie Pangilinan ang tinutukoy ng blind item na ito. Ibang aktor, kilalang kilala ito, alam niyo na.